Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making New Orleans style baked macaroni and cheese. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need spaghetti noodles, Velveeta cheese, heavy whipping cream, butter, Creole seasoning, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and salt. We're going to start by straining a half a block of cheese. Next, cube the other half. In a pot of salted boiling water, add the noodles. Boil the noodles for about 15 minutes or until tender. In a skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Next, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Add your cubes of cheese and stir until smooth. Next, season to taste with Creole Seasoning, Cayenne Pepper, and black pepper. Mix well. Pour the cheese sauce on top of the noodles and mix well. Place the noodles in a baking dish. Cover with shredded cheese and bake at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. And there you have it, New Orleans style baked macaroni and cheese. Once again, we hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and us be cooking.